Is it gonna stick? Yes. This is my Belkin MagSafe car vent mount for the iPhone 13, 12 Pro, Pro Max, and the Mini. So any of the phones that come with the MagSafe, which was after the iPhone 12. So this is a safe and powerful MagSafe connection that is easy to clip into your car vent. So how easy is it? I'm going to show you how. In terms of where you want to place it, I recommend placing it somewhere on the bottom. At least for my car, it was better on the bottom, and then I tilted it downward first so I can get it secured, and then I would tilt it up. So it is super easy to use, and the phone clips right in. It clips right in, and it's just like any other the MagSafe products. It clips right in. You can rotate it from landscape to vertical or vertical to landscape. It holds your phone. If you need to touch it or use it, you can. And if you need to take it with you on the run, it just snaps right off and you can take it with you as you get out of the car. So with that, with the intuitive cable management that keeps your charging cable conveniently within reach, so you're never low on power, it works. It worked for my car. So make sure to check that it works for yours, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.